Hey there, that's Clint with Clint's Classic World. Just bringing you a quick video on my way to see how the 1970 Dodge Challenger 446 pack Super Track Pack Shaker car's coming. You know, I'm not sure if they got started yet, but I've got it at the shop, at a body shop, where they're going to do the metal work on fixing it, undragging the rear end. The rear end is, all the rear of that vehicle was tubbed, tearing that back apart and getting it all back original. If you can kind of see here back behind me, I'm carrying a bunch of parts, a bunch of metal to them. So I have a bunch of metal already there. So it's a big project. So first of all, subscribe to my channel. And when we get here to the location, then I will take a quick video of the vehicle and give a quick update, which it may not be much except for tons of metal and new parts and used parts and so on and so forth to put the vehicle together soon. So hoping to get that car done and get it started. If it hadn't been started yet, get it started and start knocking some things out on it. All right, subscribe to my channel and let's take a look at the car.